Hi friends, welcome to MySolve videos. So today we will learn the ways of pasting special in Microsoft Excel. When you work with data in spreadsheets, you must have come across multiple scenarios where you have to copy the formula and paste only the value or the format in another cell. The good news is we have a separate functionality in Excel that gives us many options to paste special. In your spreadsheets, after copying any cell by pressing Ctrl C, just press Ctrl Alt V on your keyboard. This shortcut will open the paste window that looks like this. You can see that this window has two sections. One is a paste section where we have the options like all, formulas, values, etc. And the second section is operations. In this video, we will confine ourselves to paste section only. I will take you through the functional aspects of some of the most important and widely used paste special options. So let's start with paste formulas. I have used a sample data set here. Now I have the name of the products, the rate, and the quantity of the purchase. I need the total of rate and quantity, so I will apply some function for rate, and then I will bold the total and fill it with yellow color. I also want the total of quantity, but I do not want the total to be bold and highlighted in yellow. So I will only paste the formula from column B. For doing this, I will copy the cell B6, then I will move to the cell where I want to paste the formula, and then I will press Ctrl Alt V to open the paste special window. As mentioned, I will select formulas and then will click OK. I can see that I have the total for quantities, but the total does not include the formatting of cell B6. In a nutshell, use paste special formula when you only need to paste the formula from one cell to other cell excluding the formatting. Let's move on to paste values. So we have the same sample data here. I have the rate and quantity along with the product name that was purchased. Using these two measures, that is rate and quantity, I can calculate the total amount. I will multiply rate with quantity and I will paste formula to all the other rows. I will copy the cell, press Ctrl Alt V and will select paste formulas. Now, many times you will be working with very large data sets. And one of the key ways of optimizing the speed of your spreadsheet when working with such large data sets is to reduce the number of formulas in it. This can be done by converting formula output to values. Here I want to remove formula for total amount but want to retain the value. So for doing this, I will copy the formulas in column D. I will open the paste special window and will select values option. Now I can see that I do not have the formulas anymore, but I have the values. Paste value can also be used when you have to paste values without the formatting of the preceding cell. So for example, I will highlight the total amount values in yellow. If I copy the values and paste these values in some other cells, then I can see that the values have been pasted without any formatting. Let's move to the next paste formats. As the name suggests, this paste special is used when we have to copy the formatting from one cell and paste it in another cell. In the data set, I will bold the total amount of the shoes purchased and will highlight it with yellow color. I want the same formatting for the total amounts of trousers and socks. So instead of repeating the entire task of coloring and highlighting, I can do is copy the cell D2, that is the total amount of shoes, and paste the formatting on the cells D4 and D5 by opening paste special window and selecting formats. The formatting of trousers and socks total amount is in sync with the total amount of shoes. Similarly, if I look at the data set of paste value tab, here I see that the header fields are highlighted in red and the text is in white. I want the same formatting for the headers in Paste Formats tab. I will copy the headers in Paste Value tab, and I will paste Format in the Paste Format tab headers. In a nutshell, use paste formats when you want to paste the entire formatting of the copied cell while excluding the value or the formula. The last one, let's move to paste comments. Excel gives us the ability to add comments in the spreadsheet. Paste comment functionality enables us to paste the same comment to many other cells. Let's see how. In the data set, I will add a comment for total amount of shoes. I will right click on my mouse and will select insert comment. I will write that the total of shoe is not eligible for 10% discount, so that when I look back at this data, I know looking at the comment that when shoes were sold, 10% discount was not given, just as an example. I want to copy this comment and add it to trousers and socks. If I do general copy and paste, then I will also be pasting values along with the comment. So I will use paste comment option. I will copy cell D2 and I will select cells D4 and D5. Then I will open paste windows and will select comments. Now I can see that the comment we added for shoes is also appearing in the total amount value of trousers and socks. These paste special options and shortcuts will come very handy while working with larger sets. Try practicing these shortcuts for a couple of times and eventually you will see that they come into your reflexes. That's all for today, folks. Please share and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you. Have a good day.